everything, of course, need to be seen in the context. About 55% of our revenue, if you deduct the fuel levy refunds, we are still below the optimum level in terms of the road user charges levels for, particularly on the fuel levy. We appreciate the adjustment of 25 cents, which was implemented last month, and that 25 cents certainly will go a long way to claw back some of the funding gap. But in the context of the SADC region, we are still falling short of the ideal fuel levy rate that accrues to the road fund. We are hoping that through these engagements between the Ministry of Finance and Public Enterprises and Ministry of Mines and Energy, we will hopefully reach just short of $3 in the next year or two to really ensure that the funding gap that I've spoken about of 4.5 billion can be clawed back, particularly through the fuel levy.